Hi everyone. So what we did just now, we measured everything up here of all the zigzags and such. You're going to be doing your measurements of that, tallying it up along the x and y directions and using Pythagorean theorem to figure out the diagonal or the hypotenuse, all right, for that measurement. Now, since upstairs is a bit of a zigzag, we don't have a straight line measurement up there to measure from F5 all the way to B1, these lampposts up here. But what we can do is we have a straight shot down here on the first floor of the building where we can measure from the lamppost F5 over there to B1, and we just set up this very long tape measure here to measure this measurement going from one side of the building to the other, from one lamppost to the other. And so it took us a couple of tries to straighten it out and all that stuff, but we finally got a measure for this thing. Rick, what was the number?
It was 84 meters and 34 centimeters.
34?
Yeah, 8.34.
84.34.
No, 84.34, yeah.
So 84.34 meters is the actual length between the lamppost F5 over there and B1 over here, according to our measurements down here on the first floor. A straight shot all the way across, all right? That will be a reference number for the calculation, so you'll take your measurements of the Pythagorean theorem upstairs, getting your hypotenuse for that up there, the resultant of that up there, and then comparing it to the 84.34 meters down here on the first floor. You should get something comparable to the numbers. You know, if you make sure you have all your signs for the positive and negative x, positive, negative y set in place to do your calculations, all right? I think that's it. All right, so take those measurements there and go ahead and do your calculations at this point. Make sure you present your percent error associated with this, the calculation for which we'll go over in a lecture. All right, so that's it for this lab.